Welcome to the group of frogs. This inspiring tale will show us how ignoring negative comments and believing in yourself can lead to success. As a group of frogs was traveling through the woods, they were chatting and enjoying their journey. The frogs were curious and excited, hopping around and exploring their surroundings. Suddenly, two of them fell into a deep pit. The other frogs gathered around the edge of the pit, peering down at their trapped friends. When the other frogs saw how deep the pit was, they were worried and concerned. They told the two frogs that they were as good as dead. The two frogs ignored the comments and tried to jump out of the pit with all their might. The other frogs kept telling them to stop, that they were as good as dead. They shouted discouraging words, saying it was impossible to escape. Finally, one of the frogs took heed to what the other frogs were saying and gave up. He fell down and died, feeling defeated. The other frog continued to jump as hard as he could. Once again, the crowd of frogs yelled at him to stop the pains and just die. Despite the negative comments, the determined frog focused on his efforts, ignoring the negativity around him. He jumped even harder and finally made it out. The other frogs were amazed and couldn't believe their eyes. When he got out, the other frog said, "Did you not hear us?" The frog explained to them that he was deaf. He thought they were encouraging him the entire time. The other frogs reflected on their behavior, realizing the impact of their words. They learned the importance of encouragement and support. Ignore negative comments and believe in yourself. Sometimes you buy the evil or what you perceive as discouragement can actually be motivation.